So though Oppo is preparing its top-notch handset, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra, but there is also a compact size handset with flagship specs, the Oppo Find X9s. And thanks to our reliable source, we already know its screen size, cameras, and even the gigantic battery capacity. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Oppo Find X9s will succeed the Find X8s. As per the tipster, the Find X9s will have a 6.3 inches flat screen, same size as its predecessor. However, when it comes to camera setup, there will be big changes. So compared to the Find X8s, which came with a triple 50 megapixel sensors last year, the Find X9s is tipped to feature a 200 megapixel primary camera, likely to be Samsung HP5 sensor. Now you might be thinking, that's okay, there are many phones with 200 megapixel primary sensors. However, here is the exciting part. As per the tipster, there will be another 200 megapixel sensor which will serve as a periscope telephoto. Alongside, we are expected to see an ultra-wide sensor, though its resolution is unknown. Anyway, of course, at the moment we can't tell about the results, but with this unique camera setup, this will make the Find X9s stand out in the market. Moving on, despite the compact size, like it will be just a 6.3-inch screen device, it is tipped to feature a whopping or maybe even over 7000 mAh battery. So quite impressive. The tipster also shed light on some of the other features, such as it will have 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, high water resistance, could be IP68 or 69, and wireless charging support. Also, the device will come with Android 16 out of the box. Unfortunately, there is no details on the chip, but just for the reference, the Find X8s last year came with the Dimensity 9400 Plus chip. So if it follows its predecessor, we could see the Dimensity 9500 Plus chip inside the Find X9s. Anyway, we are likely to hear more on the Find X9s soon. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.